Okay, how to get the value of x, right? We need to find the value of x here, right? When you see here, you can see here what the ABC is a isosceles triangle. Just only focus on that triangle, but the ABC is a isosceles triangle. These two sides equal, no? Right? AB, OBA, this side equal this side. So opposite angle also equal, right? We learned that in an isosceles triangle, if we have two sides equal, no, that two sides opposite angle must be equal. Now this side, that means BA, this side opposite angle is this one, right? This one, right? This one, and this is the other side, no, this ABC angle, this is the other side which equal to this one, right? BC opposite angle is this one, right? This one. BC opposite angle is this one. That means if this is 25, this also must be 25. These two equal. Try to understand, in an isosceles triangle, equal side, opposite angle of the equal sides equal. That means this angle also equal. That means you can mark here, this has 25. This is 25. Okay, keep that. Like I told you earlier, we need to find some other angle which we can find. Okay, and not only that, if you think, now this is 25, they given, no, from BC, from B and C, go to circumference, and from B and C, go to center, right? From B and C, go to circumference like this, and then from B and C, go to center, like this way. That means we learned this one, this angle. That means BOC angle, right? BOC angle is twice of this angle. We have learned what the angle at center is twice the angle at circumference from the same chord, subtended angle. From the same chord, subtended angle at center is twice the angle subtended at circumference. That means same chord, BC chord, subtended angle is circumference is 25. BC chord, subtended angle at center should be 50. This should be 50. That means twice of this. Okay, now I will mark there here. This one should be 50. Right? This should be 50. This should be 50. That's the idea. Now, if this is 50, again, try to understand this BOC also must be cyclic. BOC must be isosceles triangle. Because why? This O is the center, no? That means BO equal to OC. BO equal to OC. That means this is isosceles triangle again. That means this one, this angle, that means BOC angle, right? BOC angle must be equal to OBC, this angle. These two angle must be equal. Because why? This BOC is isosceles triangle. This is the same radius, no? Same circle radius, radius of the same circle. OC, OB radius of this circle. So that's why these two sides equal. Opposite angle also, this side opposite, BO opposite angle is this one, OC opposite angle is this one. These two again must be equal, right? So that's why we can think now, if I got this has y, this also, this one from here to here, this angle also must be y, right? So I will name it as y, right? Y. Now then you can find this y is how much? How? 50. That means this angle plus y, this angle plus this angle. That means y plus y. This angle plus this angle should be 180. From this you can get this y. How much is the y? Right? Now I will get it here 50. Okay, here will be 2y. 50 I will bring to here. That means 180 minus 50. That means 130. And then how I can find y? Divide both sides by 2, no? So here will be what then? 130 divided by 2 mean here will be 65. degrees. 65 degrees. That means from here to here 65. That means this y angle is 65, right? 65 degrees. Now you can find this x. X mean, now this small angle, no, this small one, no. That means from this y, this angle, subtract this 25. Then you, because from here to here 65, from here to here 25. Actually this diagram is not to scale, right? So from this 65 subtract this 25, then you can get x value, angle of this plus this, no, 65, x plus this 25. So that's why we can write like this: x equal what, the 65 minus 25. So x will be what, the 0 and here 40 degrees.